In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up to Google Photos. If you've ever worried about losing your photos or switching phones and leaving memories behind, this walkthrough will make sure everything is safely stored in the cloud and easy to access from any device. First, make sure you have the Google Photos app. On Android, open the Google Play Store and download Google Photos. On iPhone, go to the App Store and do the same. Once it's installed, open the app. If the app asks for permission to access your photos and videos, allow it so it can find what you want to back up. Next, sign in with your Google account. This is the account where your photos will live, alongside other Google services. Use the account you plan to keep long-term so your library stays in one place. Once you're signed in, you're ready to turn on backup. In the app, tap your profile picture in the top right. Then open Photo Settings, select Backup, and switch Backup to On. From here on, Google Photos will automatically upload new photos and videos from your device to your Google account. The first upload may take a while if you have a large library, so it's a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi and, if possible, keep your device charging while the initial backup completes. You can keep using your phone while this runs in the background. Now choose how you want uploads to use data. Go back to Photo Settings, open Backup, then Mobile Data Usage. You can choose Wi-Fi only to avoid using your cellular plan, or allow mobile data backup if you need uploads to happen on the go. Remember, using mobile data may incur charges depending on your plan, so pick the option that fits your needs. A few important things to keep in mind. Your Google Photos backups use your Google account storage, which is shared with Gmail and Google Drive. If storage runs low, some uploads might pause until you free up space or add more storage. Also, be careful when deleting. If sync is enabled, deleting a photo in Google Photos can remove it from your phone and your cloud library. Always read the on-screen prompts so you understand what will be deleted and where. Finally, your photos are private by default. Nothing is shared unless you choose to share it, and you can stop sharing anytime. That's it. With the app installed, backup turned on, and data settings set the way you like, your memories are protected and ready wherever you sign in.